Power of nature. When the dreams die on, am I seeing a new beam? When the dreams die on, is it a treat of nature? Like something to make ourselves nurture? Is it a sign from within depths to hold ourselves on a faith? When the dreams die on, when the dream dies on, saying that we are ever eternal and not to be too fast to make it a final. As a streak that's substantial, we are here, and having no power to wade it all in fear. We stay here as long as we have to make all the deals in all their fertile ways to go. Is it the power of nature again against us, repeatedly telling us not to make a fuss? Wonder why we often fail of this truth, even when we feel it, often in the depth of hearts. Why not we tend to submit to this all, just to make the nature of it all work for itself, just to make power of nature.